guys, this is Engineered Structure and today I am going to show you how to repair your broken 12-volt adapter. If you have this type of adapter which has broken by its jack which to connect in the power supply of our home, don't worry, I will show you how to repair this. So, for this you need your broken adapter, anything which have this type of thing, which has this jack to connect to the to connect to the to connect to the power supply. So I have taken a mosquito repellent and I removed all its parts from this here, and we need all these things, and we also need a long wire to connect our home supply to the power adapter. So I will remove this. So here is our wire. So here is our wire and we will cut. So here is our wire and we want to do that. First open this so here is the wire which is going to the LED and here is the wire which is coming to our power supply. So here we will get 12 volt and here is also. So we are getting the 12 volt by this red and white wires, which is this here, and here I peel out its plastic, and here is our so we need to do that. Just take the wire so we will take the wire so we need to do that. Just make a hole with soldering iron in this at the center. The hole is enough that our wire can fix in it. So here is our wire and it can fix in it, as you can see. So here is our another part. Here is the LED, here are the components. We need to press it like this, then we need to do that. Just press this in it, and we need to do that. Just take the wire and pass it through the hole, and then connect it to these two terminals. We need to connect it. We don't want to solder it because it is not a very sorry for background music. It's not music, it's sound of the traffic on the road. You don't want to connect the in this type of thing. You have not it should not apply rules that plus is connected to the plus, so plus is connected to minus also, minus is connected to plus also. So we need to connect it. You can connect this here and this here also. So let's twist them together. So here we have twisted. Then we want to apply tape on it. Here is our tape. So we need to we do not want to connect these two terminals, because when these two terminals will connect, it will short circuit our home and it can be dangerous also. Our home can get fire also. So then okay, so we have already done. Then place it on its place and pack it under this. Make sure that the wires are not coming out, and just place them. Okay. Come on. Oh, what's that? Oh, so that's the problem. Shut yaar. In this type of case, we will twist them like this and tape them. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, okay, come on. Here, here. Here. We want to tape here also. So, here, it should look like this. Then, here is our wire. And we need to do that. Just take the mosquito repellent. Go. Here. We need to do that, just this the wire, and we need to connect them. Here, we need to connect them. This, you can connect this to this also and this to this also. But these two terminals will not connect. And if they will connect, they can blast your... Oh, sorry. It's been wrong. We need to do that. Just this. Here is a... You should take the mosquito repellent where it should be a hole on top, or if there is no hole you can make the hole. So we will do like this. Here is the, then we will connect them, then connect them. So here it's almost ready. Here we have connected them. Then it's done now. We need to do that. Just take this and place it on its place. Sorry. Yes. So here, then we need to do that. Take this. We will place it here. So these two terminals will not connect. Or you can also place here tape. I want to take more safety, so that I will take tape. I will tape here and here also. Here I have connected the tapes. Then we will take this and safely fix like this. So nuts. Oh. Screwdriver. It's done now. Here. So here we have connected. It should look like this. And it's time to test it. Let's test it. So here I have connected it to our home power supply, and if it is movable, so I can move it. If this as you can see, it can move so that I will connect it like this. So here I have connected it, and power on. Test this. Power is coming, yay! Here, wire is coming and wire is going to the 12-volt power adapter. Here, see, the light's glowing. And here. Whoo. Let's test that the power is also coming here. Here is the power supply, which will connect coming to this. Here is the motor, and the power is coming. So here I connected a switch to the motor. Here I am powering on. Get powered on, and see now it is vibrating. And if I will power off, here I have powered off, and it is like this. I can show you. Then I will switch it on and connect. So it is 12 volt. Thanks for watching.